which are valid statements to print hello world in Python. Print hello world, print hello world, print hello world. Both A and B. Find the invalid variable among the following. First underscore string, my underscore string underscore 1, underscore my string, infomax. What is the full form of IDLE in Python? Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Interpreted Development and Language Environment. Integrated Development and Language Environment. Integrated Designing and Language Environment. Which of these is a special type of literal in Python? Integer. Complex number. None. String. What is meant by a dynamically typed language? A variable can store any datatype value. A variable can store only numeric values. A variable can store only one type of value throughout its lifetime. The type of a variable can change during runtime. Can we change the value of a variable in Python? Only once. Only twice. Any number of times. We cannot change the value of a variable. In Python, which type of value can be stored in a variable named num? Integer, float, string, all of these. What is raw data assigned to a variable called? Variable, literals, identifiers, comment. Which of the following is not a valid identifier? Student, S12. 123, underscore 123. What is the output of the following code? A equals set ABC, B equals set CDEF, print A and B, C, A, B, C, D, E, R, C. None of these. Python supports the creation of anonymous functions at runtime, using a construct called py, anonymous, lambda, none of the above. Which of the following words is not a keyword of Python language? Val, raise, try, with. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? Def func a, b equals 5, c equals 10, print a is a, and b is b, and c is c. Func 13, 17, func a equals 2, c equals 4, func 5, 7, 9, a is 13 and b is 15 and c is 10, a is 2 and b is 5 and c is 4, a is 5 and b is 7 and c is 9. A is 13 and b is 17 and c is 10, a is 2 and b is 4 and c is 4, a is 5 and b is 9 and c is 7. A is 13 and b is 17 and c is 10, a is 2 and b is 5 and c is 4, a is 5 and b is 7 and c is 9. None of the above. What will be the output of the following pseudocode, where and represents the bitwise operation? Integer a, b, c set b equals 5, a equals 1, c equals a and b print c1. 3, 5, 7.
अगर आप ट्रिपल सी या ओ लेवल के स्टूडेंट हैं तो पेश है आपके लिए आपके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड 1500 प्लस MCQs। इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए ChatGPT की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकी ड्रॉइड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट acemcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकी ड्रॉइड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।
Which function returns the current position of the file pointer? Get, seek, tell, cur. What will be the output of the following Python code? Def power x, y equals 2 r equals 1 for I in range y r equals rx return r print power 3 print power 3 212 32 927 567 98 none of the above. Which of the following data types is not supported in Python? Number, string, list, slice. In which year was the Python language developed? 1995, 1972, 1981, 1991. Which of the following are valid escape sequences in Python? N, T, \\\. All of the above. Which of the following is not a valid Python identifier? Email, $H, marks 10. Python 2 char. Which one of the following is not a Python's predefined data type? Class, list, dictionary, tuple. What is the maximum possible length of an identifier for better readability? 31 characters, 63 characters. No limit but 79 characters for better readability. All of the above. Which of the following is a feature of a docstring? Provide a convenient way of associating documentation with Python modules, functions, classes, and methods. All functions should have a docstring. DOC strings can be accessed by the ___ doc ___ attribute on objects. All of the mentioned. Which of these can contain multiple lines of text? Docstring. Python package index. Both A and B. None of the mentioned. Which of the following is a string literal denoted by triple quotes for providing specifications of program elements? Interface. Modularity. Client. Docstring. Which of the following is incorrect regarding variables in Python? Variable names in Python cannot start with a number, however, they can contain numbers in any other position. Variable names can start with an underscore. Data types of variables do not need to be explicitly declared. None of the above. How many keywords are there in Python 3.7? 32, 33, 31, 30. Which of these are keywords? In, is, assert. All of the above. Which of these is a valid constant literal in Python? Hello. 949,227. True. 2. The tiny individual unit in a Python program is known as keywords, identifiers, token, statement. What provides additional readable information to clarify code in Python? Comments, expressions, tokens, flow of control. Which cannot be a variable in Python? _py, var, _var, try. What is the maximum length of a Python identifier? 100, 128, 256, no limit. In what language is the Python programming language written? C, C++, Java, PHP. How many keywords are present in the Python programming language? 32, 64, 35, 29. Which command is used to start Python from the command prompt? Execute Python, go Python, Python, run Python. What will be the data type of the var in the below code snippet? var equals 10 print type var equals hello, print type var str and int and int, str and str, int and str. How can assertions be disabled in Python? Passing O when running Python. Assertions are disabled by default. Both A and B are wrong. Assertions cannot be disabled in Python. How is a code block indicated in Python? Brackets, indentation, key, none of the above. PVM is often called Python interpreter, Python compiler, Python virtual machine, portable virtual machine. What type of language is Python? Compiled language, markup language, interpreted language, assembly language. Which file extension is used to save Python files? py, python, pt, .py. Which of the following is the correct way to declare a variable in Python? Int x equals 10, x equals 10, var x equals 10, x, 10. What will the following code produce? Print type 10, class, float, class, int, class, string, class, number. How do you insert a comment in Python? Less than, this is comment 2. This is comment, asterisk this is comment, hash this is comment. Which data type is used to store a sequence of characters in Python? Int, float, str, list. What will be the output of the following code? Print 5 plus 5, 55. 10, 5. Type error. What will be the output of the following code? Print 10, 3, 3.33. 3, 4. Error. What does the input function do in Python? Displays a prompt message to the user. Receives input from the user as an integer. Receives input from the user as a string. Both 1 and 3. What does the as keyword do in Python? Checks if two variables have the same value. Checks if two variables refer to the same object in memory. Assigns a value to a variable. None of the above. Which of the following can be a variable name in Python? 123 var underscore var if var name. What is the result of the following operation? Print 3% 7 4 3 2 1. How do you convert the string 123 to an integer in Python? Int 123 inches integer 123 inches int 123 inches int 123. What is the output of this code? Print bool 0 true, false 0 error. Which of the following is the exponentiation operator in Python? Caret, 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 express. What does the operator do in Python? Performs integer division and returns the integer part. Performs normal division and returns a float. Performs modulus operation. Performs exponential calculation. Which of the following is not a valid Python token? Keywords, identifiers, operators, statements. Which of the following is a logical operator in Python? And, or, not. All of these. What is the purpose of the in operator in Python? Checks if an element exists within a sequence. Checks for inequality between two variables. Checks if two variables refer to the same object. Checks the length of a sequence. What is the result of the following Python code? Print 10 halves.0 5 5.0 10 error. What will the following Python code output? Print 5.3 6 1 2 error. Which of the following is a membership operator in Python? Is, in, on, at. What will be the output of the following code? Print 2 asterisk asterisk 3 asterisk asterisk 2 64 512 729 error. Which of the following is not a valid Python keyword? None, true, false, equal. What is the output of the following code? Print 5 greater than 3 and 5 less than 10 true, false, error, none. What will the following code output? Print ord A 65 97 32 67. What will the following code output? Print CHR 98A B A B. What will the following code output? Print in N N. New line error. What will the following code output? Print renew, renew, new, renew, renew. What will the following code output? A equals, infomax, A equals 10 print type A class, int, class, str, class, bool. Error. What will the following code output? A equals 55 B equals 55 print A is not B true. False. 55. Type error. Which one of these is floor division? Slash dot, slash slash dot, percent. None of the mentioned. What is the result of the expression 22% 3? 7, 1, 0, 5. What is the output of this expression? 3 asterisk 1 asterisk asterisk 3. Print 3 asterisk 1 asterisk asterisk 3 27. 9, 3, 1. Which one of the following has the same precedence level? Addition and subtraction, multiplication, division and addition, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, addition and multiplication. What is the return value of trunk int, bool, float? None. Which is the correct operator for power x, y, x caret y, x y, x caret caret y? None of the mentioned. What will be the output of the following Python expression? Print 4.00, 2.0 plus 2.0 error. 1.0, 1.00, 1. What will be the value of x in the following Python expression? X equals 2 plus 9 asterisk, 3 asterisk 12, 8, 10, 30.0. 30.8, 28.4, 27.2. Which among the following list of operators has the highest precedence? Less than, bitwise OR, percent. What will be the value of the following Python expression? Print float 4 plus int 2.39% 2. 5.0, 5, 4.0, 4. Which of the following expressions is an example of type conversion? 4.0 plus float 3. 5.3 plus 6.3. 5.0 plus 3. 3 plus 7. Which of the following expressions results in an error? Float 10 feet, int 10 feet, float 10.8 feet, int 10.8 feet. What will be the value of the following Python expression? Print 4 plus 2 asterisk asterisk 5, 10, 3. 7, 77, 0. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? Print bool, false, true, true. False, true. False, false. True, false. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? Print not 3 greater than 4, true, true. True, false. False, true. False, false. Which of the following Boolean expressions is not logically equivalent to the other three? Not -6 less than 0 or -6 greater than 10, -6 greater than equals 0 and -6 less than equals 10. Not -6 less than 10 or -6 equals 10, not -6 greater than 10 or -6 equals 10. What will be the output of the following Python code? X equals ab, cd, for I in x, x, append I, upper print x ab, cd, ab, cd, ab, cd, ab, cd. Infinite loop. What will be the output of the following Python code? I equals 1 while true, if I %7 equals 0, break print I plus equals 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Error. None of the mentioned. What will be the output of the following Python code? I equals 1 while true, if I %2 equals 0, break print I plus equals 2 1. 1 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 3 5 7 9 1 1, indefinitely. What will be the output of the following Python code? I equals 2 while true, if I %3 equals 0, break print I plus equals 2 2 4 6 8 1 0. 2 4 2 3. Error. What will be the output of the following Python code? I equals 1 while false, if I %2 equals 0, break print I plus equals 2 1. 1 3 5 7. 1 2 3 4. Nothing will be printed. What will be the output of the following Python code? I equals 0 while I less than 3. Print I plus equals 1 else. Print 0 0 1 2 3 0. 0 1 2 0. 0 1 2. Error. What will be the output of the following Python code? X equals abcdef, while I in x. Print I, and equals abcdef. Abcdef, I. Error. What will be the output of the following Python code? X equals abcdef, I equals I, while I in x. Print I, and equals number output. I, abcdef. Abcdef. What will be the output of the following Python code? X equals abcdef, I equals a, while I in x. Print I, and equals no output. I, abcdef. What will be the output of the following Python code? X equals abcdef, I equals a, while I in x. Print I, and equals no output. I, infinitely abcdef. What will be the output of the following Python code? X equals abcd, for I in range x. Print I abcd. 0 1 2 3. Error. None of the mentioned. What will be the output of the following Python code? X equals abcd, for I in range len x print I a b c d. 0123. Error. 1234. What will be the output of the following Python code snippet? X equals ABCD, for I in range len x equals A, print x A, ABCD ABCD ABCD, A. None of the mentioned.
अगर आप ट्रिपल सी या ओ लेवल के स्टूडेंट हैं तो पेश है आपके लिए आपके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड 1500 प्लस MCQs। इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए ChatGPT की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से Anki ड्रॉइड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और Anki ड्रॉइड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।